Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Odyssey tire. Position wheel chocks and remove the hubcap if present, then slightly loosen lug nuts with a breaker bar. Raise the van using the correct jack point, remove the wheel, and swap in the spare or new tire. Tighten lug, nuts in a star pattern while lowered slightly, then fully torque them once the vehicle is back on the ground. Warm up to simple prep steps that make the job smooth and safe. Lay out tools like your jack, lug wrench, torque wrench, and spare tire within easy reach. Confirm the spare has proper pressure and inspect the replacement for damage. Use gloves and eye protection, and read the owner manual for jack points and torque specs. Staying organized speeds up the process and reduces risk while you work. Follow these clear steps to swap the wheel efficiently and safely. After loosening lug nuts, fully remove them and gently pull the wheel free. Lift the replacement onto the hub, hand thread each lug to hold it in place, then lower the vehicle until the tire just contacts the ground. Tighten lug nuts in a star pattern, then fully torque them to the specified value to ensure safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.